Welcome to Profiletraders. This is Reza and you're listening to my market analysis for Tuesday, June the 9th. As market has been coming down for few consecutive sessions, last night I tweeted that we were going to find significant support between 2070 to 2065. And as you can see, last night, as soon as we did hit 2070, we bounced and we closed the overnight right around 9 points higher. Therefore, when this morning we opened and we started to drop, I ran a campaign of scaling into the overnight support zone and got a very beautiful trade that definitely responded very well on the upside and was very successful. So now when we look at this chart, 2070 is extremely important support. If we continue to trade around it without breaking it, it's only a matter of time that more buyers will start to accumulate that support. On the other hand, if we only rest here and pause briefly and then decide to break 2070, then most definitely we will be again in another breakdown move, and after that I really don't have much before we would go to 2055. On the upside, upper bracket is 2090. For anything slightly bullish to start to happen, we need to break above 2090. If we do that, then next target would be, we have a POC there that is at 2094, a volume POC, and then after that we should definitely go towards 2100. Therefore, bracketed market, and to be seen which side of the bracket we will break. But so far the response was extremely bullish off of 2070 support. As for crude, welcome to the world of the gangsters, because right now it's exactly what it is. A whole bunch of gangsters are involved and they know something that any monkey out there would know, is that there is zero shortage of crude. All economies around the globe are shrinking. That you have oil on the market that is being sold at a fraction of what the market is, because they all want money and they all want to get rid of it. And with all these things combined, and on the top of that you add another a little bit of a dollar weakening lately that is coming to this whole equation. With all this, they know that the whole world is shorting and shorting and shorting, because they have the taste of those $44, $45 still in their mouth, and market gives a complete and total refusal to go down. And if you were a market manipulator, this would be a perfect condition. You know why? Because they know that majority of the players are all short and they are nervous. All they have to do is to load up the money into these algorithmics and all kind of mumbo jumbo machines and make sure that the machine, all it does is to maintain the market stand still without letting it drop, making even the shorts more nervous, and then just spend a little bit of money, and that little bit of money will give you a big bang for the buck. Because then, as soon as it starts to go up, as you are experiencing it right now live, it creates fast and robust burst to the upside, all because activity that is taking place in terms of nervousness of all these people that are short here. So obviously until this masquerade goes on, you cannot beat them. It's impossible. They have this thing at the palm of their hands and they do whatever hell they want to do with it, with your approval or not. Therefore right now it is looking strong. There is really nothing that is showing me weakness has been shown. So all that we can do now in order to decide where to short and when to short is to patiently wait for a rejection to take place, and when the rejection, like last night 2070 ES gave us a confirmation that there was good buying at 2070 that came in, and this time you need to wait to see what price finally, if hit, will bring the sellers in. When that becomes visible on a retest of that move, it becomes then a good risk reward short. But until it's under Viagra like this, unfortunately this erection can last more than 4 hours. Support side 59.65 is the first area of support for anything bearish to take place. That's where we need to break, so we reject this current rotation up there, and if we do break below this, then the target is 58.90 and then the POC below at 58.45. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you wish to learn market profile, you can get all my courses, which are a total of 5, and a year membership to my trading room for $550, and that's money back guaranteed. Thank you and talk to you tomorrow.